Hello friends, in this video we will do class 6 science second chapter components of food exercises. So firstly here is written some sources of carbohydrates are there are 5 nutrients which are carbohydrate, fats, protein, vitamin, mineral. So some sources of carbohydrates are sweet potato, melon, mango, sugarcane and papaya. Here is one picture. Then some sources of proteins are peas, soybean, gram, meat and egg. Then there is some sources of fats are cream, milk, butter, fish and meat. Here are some pictures. You can see. If you want to note all this, you can pause my video right now and you can see the work. Then there is some sources of vitamin R. You all know that there are many vitamins. So here I write the sources of only 5 vitamins, which are vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin A. So the sources of vitamin A are spinach, carrots, mango, cheese. Sources of vitamin B are eggs, milk, cheese and spinach. Sources of vitamin C are tomato, guava, amla, lemon. Sources of vitamin D are red meat, egg yolks and sunlight. Sunlight is also a source of vitamin D. The source of vitamin E are soybean oil, almonds, pumpkin. Then there are some sources of minerals. Beans, water, egg and milk. And now you can think these 5 nutrients as your hand. Okay, and your hand is nutrients and the 5 fingers of your hands are some example of nutrients. So first finger is carbohydrate, second is protein, third is vitamin, fourth is mineral and fifth is fat. And here are some pictures. Then there is test for the nutrients present in our food. A dilute solution of iodine can be prepared by adding a few drops of tincture iodine to be a test tube, half filled with water. Then copper sulfate solution can be prepared by dissolving 2 grams of copper sulfate in 100 ml of water. Then this 10 grams of caustic soda dissolved in 100 ml of water makes the required solution of caustic soda. And here is one picture. Then here are some notes of this chapter. First is introduction to components of food. And here are 3 points, which are all living organisms such as plants and animals require food. Food is essential for all living organisms. Second is carbohydrates, protein, fat, vitamin and minerals are essential components of food. These components are called nutrients, which I tell you just now. In addition, food also contains dietary fiber and water. Like in food, there are carbohydrates, protein, fats, vitamin and mineral. Like these examples, there are 2 more things, which are dietary fibers and water. Then let's see this picture first. Here is organisms need food, nutrients too, means all living beings or all human, all bird or all animal need nutrients because to obtain energy, to obtain materials for growth, to obtain materials for repair of damaged parts of our body. Then the fourth one is carry out life process. So then there is different type of food and their component. here are some different type of food. You can also say these types of food as groups of food. So first group is energy giving food. Carbohydrates and fats are energy giving food. Carbohydrates provide us instant energy. Fat are stored energy resources. That's why carbohydrates and fats are called energy giving food. Then there is bodybuilding food. Bodybuilding foods are protein. You can also say proteins are bodybuilding food, as they help in body growth and repair of damaged part of the body. So after bodybuilding food, there is protective food. Vitamins and minerals are protective food because they protect us from many diseases. They give us resistance against disease-causing germs. I will also tell you the name of these germs. Then there is explanation. The explanation of carbohydrates and fats. Carbohydrates in our food are mainly sugar, starch. Starch is present in grains like rice, wheat, maize, tubers like potato, etc. Sugar is the sweet substance. Common sugar we use is sucrose, and it is obtained from sugarcane. Fats are stored energy resources. Animal sources include milk, butter, ghee, cheese and meat, and plant resources like oil are rich resources of fat. So these are some sources of fats. Now there is protein. The explanation of protein. Protein are bodybuilding food, as they help in the body growth and repair of damaged part of the body. Animal sources like eggs, fish, meat, cheese, and plant sources like pulses of beans are resources of protein. Protein are broken down by the digestive system into amino acids, which can be absorbed into the blood. Here are some names of diseases which are caused due to the loss of vitamin A, vitamin B, etc. So first, let's see the explanation of vitamins and minerals. Vitamins are protective food, as they protect us from many diseases. They give us resistance against disease-causing germs. Vitamins are A, B, C, D, K, E. They are obtained from fruits, vegetables, fish liver oil, milk, eggs. Minerals are also required in small quantities. Minerals include sodium, calcium, potassium, iodine, and phosphorus. Then there is one question, which is, what is balanced diet? A balanced diet is food intake that includes all the dietary needs of the organisms in the correct proportions. Balanced diet comprises the components like carbohydrate, fats, vitamins, protein, minerals, and enough water. Balanced diet keeps our body fit and resistant to diseases. And here are some names of deficiency diseases. You can also call these diseases only. Diseases that occur due to the lack of nutrients over a long period are called deficiency diseases. So, first vitamin is vitamin A, and the disease caused due to the loss of vitamin A is loss of vision. The symptoms of this disease is poor vision, loss of vision in darkness, sometimes complete loss of vision. Loss of vision means that you lose your eyesight. Sometimes completely lost. Means sometimes you can if you have the loss of vitamin A, then sometime only some people have lost their vision in darkness, but some people lost their complete eyesight. So the second vitamin is vitamin B1, which is disease which cause then the disease caused to the loss of vitamin B1 is beriberi. Symptoms are weak muscles and very little energy to work. Vitamin C. The disease caused to the loss of vitamin C is scurvy. Symptoms are bleeding gums. Wounds take longer to heal. The disease caused to the loss of vitamin D is rickets. The symptoms are bones became soft and bent. Fourth one is calcium. Calcium is one example of mineral. So due to the loss of calcium, we can the disease which caused is decay, bone and tooth decay. Symptoms are weak bones and tooth decay. The disease which is caused due to the loss of iodine is glands in the neck appear swollen. Mental disability in children. Fourth one is iron. The disease caused due to the loss of iron is anemia, and the symptoms are weakness. There are these two more vitamins, and the diseases which are caused due to the loss of these two vitamins are for vitamin E, muscle weakness. For vitamin K, blood clotting time increases. Now, if you have seen this page, then there are some questions. First is, what are nutrients? The components of food that are necessary for growth and development of our body are called nutrients. Which are the nutrients essential for our body? Carbohydrates, fats, protein, vitamin, minerals, roughage, and water are the nutrients essential for our body. What is nutrition? The process of taking nutrients from our food for the growth and development of body and to obtain energy is known as nutrition. Write the functions of food. The functions of food are as follows. Food provides nutrients for proper growth and functioning of the body. Food gives protection against diseases. Food provides energy to carry out physical activities. Then there is, what is the function of vitamins? Vitamins only help in the proper utilization of other nutrients, such as carbohydrates and fats. Many vitamins help enzymes in their action and are called coenzymes. Then choose the correct option in the following questions. 1 minute. If you want to note all these questions, you can pause this video right now, and then you can see all these questions and you can note them. So now, first question is, the food components needed by our body are called ingredients, nutrients, fragments, ornaments. The answer is nutrients. Carbohydrates can be tested by using iodine solution, caustic soda, copper sulfate, and Fehling solution, and the answer is iodine solution. Then there is, which one of the following is an energy giving component? Which are energy giving component? Carbohydrates and fats. So the answer is carbohydrates and fats. Vitamin and mineral are they protective food, or are they energy giving food, or are they bodybuilding food, or are they roughage? You know that bodybuilding food means energy giving food are carbohydrates and fats, and bodybuilding food is proteins. So protective food is the right answer, because roughage are not any vitamin, mineral, or carbohydrates, fats, protein. So Vitamin and minerals are protective food. Roughage helps in first option is protecting our body from diseases. This is wrong. 2 is movement of bowel. This is a right answer. If you want to note this all MCQ questions, you can note by pausing my video right now. Now then the one is scurvy is caused due to the deficiency of. Let's see. What is the name of disease they give us? Scurvy. And scurvy is caused due to the loss of vitamin C. So the answer will be vitamin C. Then this disease caused due to the deficiency of vitamins are known as deficiency diseases. What we call these diseases? We call them deficiency diseases. So all the deficiency diseases can be prevented by cleanliness, taking medicine at proper time, vaccination, taking balanced diet. What is balanced diet? Balanced diet is balanced diet is that diet in which we take every nutrient. So if we take every nutrient, every vitamin, then there will be no deficiency diseases. That's why the answer is taking balanced diet. Then there is which of the following food items contain carbohydrates. What we learn that carbohydrates means sources of carbohydrates are cereal. And some examples are rice, wheat, and maize. So is here rice? Yes, here it is. So that's why rice is the answer. Night blindness is caused due to the deficiency of. What we call? Can you name the second name of this disease? Night blindness. Yes, we can give here loss of vision. So see here, that way is the disease loss of vision or night blindness. Here is the disease loss of vision, and loss of vision is caused due to the deficiency of means loss of vitamin A. So the answer will be vitamin A. Then there is some exercise. So let's answer this. First is name the following. The nutrients which mainly give energy to our body. So which are energy giving food? Yeah, they are carbohydrates and fats. So you can only write here carbohydrates, or if you want, then you can write here fats also. Then there is the nutrients that are needed for the growth and maintenance of our body. Bodybuilding food are those which we need to for our growth and for the maintenance of our body. And bodybuilding foods are proteins. So the answer will be protein. Are vitamins for maintaining good eyesight. Vitamin A, a mineral that is required for keeping our bones healthy. Calcium. Name 2 each rich in A fats. The 2 foods which are rich in fats are ghee and butter. B1 is starch. Starch is carbohydrates. So you can write here some sources of carbohydrates like raw potato and rice. Then there is dietary fiber. The sources of dietary fiber is carrot and cabbage. Source of protein is egg and pulses. Tick the statement that are correct, cross those which are incorrect. By eating rice alone, we can fulfill a nutritional requirement of our body. No, because we need different kinds of food for every nutrient. So here will be cross. B1 is deficiency diseases can be prevented by eating a balanced diet. It is correct. We learn it here also. Here it is. All the deficiency diseases can be prevented by taking balanced diet. Then this balanced diet for the body should contain a variety of food. This is correct. Meat alone is sufficient to provide all the nutrients to the body. Now, like the first one is by eating rice alone, here is only meat and raw. By eating only one food, we can't fulfill the requirement of every nutrient. We have to eat variety of food. So friends, our today's all topic are finished. Thanks for watching. Bye friends.